We got a cop right there. Ready?
Oh shit, bro.
That was a good trail, huh? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are going on an adventure today. No review today, no review this time. Today is the Surron day. Got Liam with me today on his Chinese 4-stroke little mini thing. That thing is actually kind of cool. Got a 14-inch rear and I believe it's a 16-inch front. He sold his Talaria. I told him he's a fool. Got that little thing for super cheap. But anyways, we're gonna meet up today with Callie, which I met up with, I don't know, a month or two ago. So it'll be like a mini group ride. Should be kind of fun. And we're on the way to meet them right now. And let's see how it goes. We got a cop right there. I don't think they really care much. From my experience, they don't really care at all. That's crazy. They just don't give a shit about anything. It's hilarious. Yeah, he's gone. They don't care. This is Callie over here. I figured we might run into.
Yeah, I see you guys. I was like a block ahead trying to catch up.
I'm pretty sure I could take that in a race, and I'm pretty sure it'll be a good race between these two, the Frigo and that thing. How you doing, man? What's up, brother? Nice to meet you, Tom. Another Frigo, huh?
Bro, I was supposed to have like 5-6 people come out, but the rain kind of fucked it up.
This is the beautiful Surron, baby. It just looks so good. I haven't ridden this bike in so long. Every time I do it, it's a blast. All right, and we are off. I'm on 7.5 kilowatts, 60 volts versus this 4-stroke. Ready? Oh yeah, I knew. Hell yeah. And that's on 7.5 kilowatts. I can go up to 10. But I think the Frigo will be a much closer race between the two. That's cool. We got our little mini gang out here. 2 Frigos, my Surron, and this little mini Chinese 4-stroke. And honestly, I thought it would be much louder and much stinkier than it is. It's actually not that bad. All right, a little bit of off-roading. You ready? All right, here we go. Off-roading, baby. Oh, look at that beautiful scenery. That is gorgeous. Everything is green. That's so nice. Super nice out here. And look at Jules. He's flying on his Frigo. As far as me, I got way too much air pressure in my tires, as always, because I was riding on the road. So I'm sliding all over the place, not getting the proper grip I should be getting. And this is actually a perfect segue to today's sponsor. This video is sponsored by Gulu and the all-new AP150 Pro electric tire inflator. This lightweight portable tire inflator packs a powerful punch with super fast charging and inflating. With a 27.75 watt-hour battery and up to 150 psi max pressure, this tire inflator is all you need. The AP150 Pro can also be used as a power bank, which is always helpful. The pump itself has a very sleek design and feels very solid and high quality. Inside the box, we also have a USB charging cable, an air hose, more adapters than you'll ever need, and a storage bag. The pump can easily be turned on by pressing the power button for a few seconds. Once the pump is on, you can easily change the desired PSI by using the plus and minus buttons. We also have 5 different modes. We have car mode, motorcycle, bike, ball, and a custom mode. This pump also features an LED light, which is very useful. Connecting the air hose is very fast, easy, and straightforward process. The AP150 Pro is perfect for electric scooters, e-bikes, electric dirt bikes, your personal car, and with the included ball needle, you can easily pump your favorite sports equipment. And when you're all done, you can simply use the included dust bag to keep your pump nice and tidy for the next time. Now, aside from this awesome tire inflator, Gulu also has a lot of other products which you may find interesting. Gulu is an award-winning brand, and I highly recommend checking out their website to see what other products they offer. This pump is a great addition to have in any household or in your car. And I'll have a link in the description if you're interested in this awesome tire inflator. I will also have an exclusive discount code for you, so make sure to check that out. Thanks again to Gulu for sponsoring today's video. Now, let's get back to the video. Shee-hee! This is so much fun. What I love about this spot is the changes in terrain. You go from like rocky to loose sand. There's literally every type of terrain over here. The spot is amazing. So much fun. This bike is insane. I enjoy it so much. There's really nothing that can come close to it. Now, yeah, we have some better deals out there, of course, in the form of the E-Ride Pro, but the Surron is just so much fun. What a revolutionary bike. Sucks that Surron as a company aren't stepping the game up and delivering a knockout punch and an answer, a definitive answer to all these other companies. Alright, where are the homies? Let's wait for them. Oh, they're right behind. Excellent. Nice, keeping up. Shout out to that Frigo too for the price. It's a great bike. See what I'm saying? Now we got like rocky, loose gravel. This trail is just amazing. So much fun. Now we got that tricky downhill part. Yeah, it's the rocky downhill. And this trail has it all. I really enjoy this trail every time, and it's like short and sweet. It's the perfect amount of trailing before we're getting to the spot that we're getting to. Oh my god. Yeah, this is fun. Yeah, I've been so busy with reviews. I don't have a lot of time to go out with the Surron and have fun like we used to. We used to go out riding almost every other day, off-roading, and I could really see that or tell that my skill was getting better and better as far as off-roading. When you don't do it for a while, you kind of lose it. You feel like not as confident. But I'm actually feeling great right now. The fork's feeling great. Everything's feeling great. I do need to give my Surron a little bit of TLC because I can hear my chain and my belt just like hating life right now. So I definitely gotta clean it, lube it, take care of it. Haven't done that in a minute. Maybe I'll make another video on TLC for your Surron, how to take care, make sure it lasts for a really long time.
Everybody good.
How was that?
That was dope.
That was a good trail, huh?
Yeah. I couldn't hold down a smile, bro. I've been smiling the
For
whole
real
fucking way
though,
over
I
here.
don't know if you heard me, but I've been wooing and weeing the whole time.
Yeah.
I seen the difference though. I was like, man, you guys are being cool, slowing down for us at times, you know. And I was like, man, those for sure. It's a difference on those.
Yeah.
But it's still fun as fuck. I'm for real. Dangerously fast, bro. Let's put it that way.
We're gonna make it up to that abandoned military base. You guys may have seen it before on my channel. So this will be Louis', I think, first time over here. So that's kind of cool. And if you haven't seen my videos in the past, this is your first time, first of all, welcome. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking around this long. This used to be a military base in a Cold War era. Here's the guard shack. Los Angeles had, if I'm not mistaken, about 11 of these sites all over, spread out LA. We have 2 in the valley, one on this side, one on the other side. This is the north side. We have one on the south side. And they all had missiles and scanners and stuff, just all waiting for an attack pretty much. And this is the place now, and it's all abandoned over here. Alright, Liam's gonna try this hill climb. Nope.
Oh shit. Bro's a daredevil.
Oh man. Almost. Phew.
Oh shit. Be careful, be careful.
Oh man. Yeah, that's a gnarly hill climb. That was exciting. Now let's go visit that bunker one more time. This time though, I brought a flashlight, so we'll be able to see what's happening down there and how it really looks. This is the platform where they have, or where they had, the missiles come out of. And there's a bunker underneath where the missiles were housed. And there's one bunker you can actually go down to. Let's go down there real quick. By the way, guys, if you want to support the channel, there's plenty of ways. Definitely hit that subscribe button. That helps me out a lot. It's free. If you guys want to take it a step further and support the channel, I do have these keychains over here and some Volted gloves. Make sure to check that out. Link in the description. All right, let's go down this thing. No coyote! There you go.
Wait, the door is just tall. The door was open.
Now we can see the inside. Look how big this place is. So right here, this was like a lift. Yeah, these doors would open up at top, on top. The missile would be over here. Which is pretty insane. Yeah, exactly. No, the whole thing would come up first, and then it would lift into position. Look at these generators. Massive motor over here. This place is crazy. So much nicer with a flashlight. You can actually see what's happening. Now we'll get a good look. Man, this is like a studio booth over here. Oh, look at that. Another exit.
I didn't even see that right.
Yeah, pretty gnarly. I don't know how much I want to be. Look at this bunk bed. This is where they would stay. Crazy. Talk about claustrophobic.
Wow.
Alright, well, I'm glad I had a flashlight this time. Finally, on my 5th visit to this place. My last videos, I tried brightening up the image as much as I could, but it didn't do it justice.
Probably like 2 seconds before you made that turn, I heard a clonk down there, bro.
Really?
Yeah.
Holy
Weird,
shit.
huh? Like a loud clonk.
No way, dude. That's trippy. He said he heard like a loud clunk down there as soon as we left. Always fun coming up here and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you stuck to the end, thank you very much. You guys are awesome. As I said earlier, if you guys want to show support, definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. That helps me out a lot, and it's free. If you guys want to take it a step further, I do have these Volted keychains and Volted gloves available on my merch store. Make sure to check that out. Well, that is pretty much it for me, guys, in this adventure. I appreciate you guys watching as always, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.